basic terms related to image formation by spherical mirror. Okay, terms related to spherical mirror. Okay, so first one is the center of curvature. Center of curvature of which the mirror is a part. Okay, so if you talk about the center of curvature, student, somewhere you can make the sphere, and in the center it will be center of curvature. Next one, radius of curvature. Radius of sphere. Okay, radius of sphere of which the mirror is part is called radius of curvature. So whatever, if you are making this like that, so this is, here is the center of curvature, student. It is the twice of the focus, and radius of curvature means from this to this area, that is radius of curvature. What is pole? Geometric center of the spherical surface is called pole. This is what is called pole. Principal axis, a straight line joining the pole of the mirror to its center is called what, student? Principal axis. This is the principal axis. Focus, focal length, and focal plane of the spherical mirror. So light comes from this side, student. This is the side from where the light comes, student, and get reflected here. This outer surface is the hard surface, right, student? So here if you see, student, what you can see in the last one, the plane, they are saying the plane through which the focus perpendicular to the axis of mirror or lens is called the focal plane. So these all are the, what is, student? Focal plane. This area are the focal planes. This side is the hard surface where there is no reflection, student. So this is what the basic term related to image formation by spherical mirror.